Mom, what's for dinner? I mean, what are you putting in the dishwasher there?
Thieves. Thieves. Non-chemical, plant-based dishwasher cleaner. And it comes in a plastic bag, and I put mine in a plastic cup, and then I labeled it from the bag, and I only use a half a scoop. So there's no chemicals admitted when you wash your dishes, and they come out nice and clean. So wash your dishes with these, and don't forget your nature. Cheers!